Hey, come on in. Come here. Come here. Let me talk to you. Come on in. Let me talk to you. Are you tired of wearing the same old twists or braids? Then look no more, honey. Look no more. You're in the right place. My name is Rene, and I've been natural since 2008, okay? Now on this channel, in this space here, I'm going to give you all the tips and the hacks on how to style your natural hair. I'm going to inspire you, okay? I'm going to motivate you to style your hair in different ways, in new creative ways that you might not even thought of. Now whether you need a style for the office, or a night out with your girls, or a good old weekend brunch, honey, I'm here to help you, okay? Rene is here to help you, okay? Now, I post videos every Sunday, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video, okay? I want you to join the family and come kick it with me, all right? Never again, my good sis, will you be sitting at home wondering, how are you gonna style your hair? Because now you have me to help you on your journey, okay? I got you. I'm gonna help you figure it out. You're in the right place with Rene. So be sure to come back and check me out, all right? And until next time, see you later.